Welcome to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. I'm getting close to finishing the build of my dream airplane, which is really exciting. My only regret is that I should have been sharing this build process all along the way because I know there are others out there that have my same dream. Today I'm going to show you my airplane and where I currently am in the build process, and in future videos I'm going to keep you updated as the build moves forward. And I'll also go back and show you many parts of the build that I've documented with photos. When the aircraft is complete, I'm going to film the first flight, and I'm also going to film all of the flight test procedures, so you're definitely not going to want to miss this. I chose my Sonex aircraft for a number of reasons, including the fact that there was an option to build it from scratch from a set of detailed plans. If you enjoy fabricating parts, which is easy to do with basic tools, you can save a large amount of money by buying rolls of aluminum, aluminum angle, and other materials that are called out in the plans rather than buying a complete kit. I'm lucky that I live close to Aircraft Spruce, which is a company that caters to the aircraft home building industry, and they stock all of the correct materials. So I was able to pick up my materials at Aircraft Spruce rather than paying to have them shipped to me, which saved quite a bit of money. After I started my build, Sonex Aircraft came out with an upgraded version of the original Sonex that they call the Sonex Model B. Now this model features a larger cockpit, a larger instrument panel, more fuel capacity, electric flaps, and a number of other features, and so it's quite an upgrade. Now the Model B cannot be built from plans, it has to be purchased as a kit. However, Sonex Aircraft offers a conversion kit that can be used to convert any original Sonex into a B model. Now the B model is identical to the original from the tail all the way to the turtle deck, and all the changes that are part of the Model B are from the turtle deck forward. So this means I was able to build my airplane from the tail all the way to the turtle deck, including the wings, from scratch to save money, and then I purchased the conversion kit to continue from that point forward. This means that I'll have the far more desirable Model B when I'm finished. And some builders have actually converted their flying airplanes into a Sonex B using this kit. I encourage you to let me know in the comments if there are any specific details of the build that you would like to see. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of this exciting adventure. So now, let's go look at my airplane. This is the current state of construction for my Sonex B. As you can see, the tail has been installed, the control surfaces for the tail, the elevator, rudder trim, or elevator trim tab have been installed and adjusted. I've been painting the aircraft piece by piece prior to assembly, and that way when I have all of the construction complete, the paint will be done. Don't have to worry about any of that down the road. I've installed the radio antennas. There is a static port on each side of the fuselage for the avionics system. The wings have been completed, they're in storage. The canopy is completed, it's in storage. I have completed the upholstery for the interior. However, I've taken it out temporarily because I've been working under the panel. The avionics have been installed and they're all working. I've got a Dynon Skyview HDX panel in the center, and to the left of that is an AV30, which is a backup for the Dynon. Both of those have internal backup batteries, so in case ship's power goes away, I'll have an hour reserve on those avionics before they go south on me, give me a chance to get to land somewhere. I also have a GPS, a certified GPS Garmin 175, so that I can fly IFR with this aircraft. It has two comms and an audio panel to switch between those with an intercom system, and there's a remote ELT switch on the panel also. I've installed electric heaters for the seats, and there is adjustment for each seat individually for how much heat you want per seat on the panel there. I've also installed double throttle, 2 throttles, one on each side, so you can fly it from either side of the cockpit. In the baggage compartment, I have enclosed the back of the turtle deck so that nothing can fall back there in case you've got baggage in there and you're in turbulence. A lot of builders leave that open. I just don't feel comfortable with that. And I also built a custom shroud that covers the push rod that goes to the elevator, because I was afraid something could get caught up in that. I've boxed in both sides so that there's no wiring or rudder cables or anything showing, and that way nothing can get into the control system and cause us any problem. I have installed the mic jacks in each side. There's right in the turtle deck there, there's for the co-pilot, and then to the other side is for the pilot. Going around to the firewall side, I've installed the engine mount. I have all the sensor wires coming through the firewall for all the sensors needed for the engine. The battery's been mounted, and this is a turbocharged engine, so I've got a manifold pressure gauge that is mounted on the battery box, along with the ammeter shunt and the voltage regulator. The next step is going to be to install the engine, and so that process I will document, and we will have future videos that show you that. So it's pretty exciting. We're getting very close to having this aircraft finished. Depends on how much concentrated effort I put into it as to how quickly I get it done from here on out. Hopefully by this summer we'll be flying it. So thanks a lot.